Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google feature on that device. So let's first open the Google application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner, then click to the settings and click to the voice. Now just tap to the voice match, and here you'll see the Hey Google feature switcher. Just to activate Hey Google, click here once on the switcher, and after that tap here to the next, read the description and click yes, I agree. After that tap to continue. And now just we should add here our voice model, so click to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And after that tap here to finish. And just go back, and now we can see that the Hey Google feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.